What's up guys, my name is Connor and I'm really excited to give you guys a review today on the new 2022 Rolex green dial yellow gold presidential watch. I'm going to be going over all the details of this watch as well as trying it on for you guys. So if you guys do enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to like and subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The retail cost of it is going to be $37,450 USD, and the market value is going to be somewhere around $65,000 to $70,000. And so, taking off the top part of this box right here, it's going to bring us to the inner box. And once we're there, obviously we have the beautiful green Rolex color box right here. And then opening that up, we're going to have the watch right here. And then pulling this watch out, at first glance, we're going to have the beautiful green dial, which we really don't see too often. They have not made this yet for a yellow gold presidential watch. They have for the GMT, they have for the Daytona, and obviously those go for a lot more than the other dial options for those two models. And this does as well. Like I mentioned at the beginning, this is going for nearly double retail, and that's because there's very limited quantity. It's a very new watch, so the market's going to fluctuate a lot, and the green is just very sought after no matter what the watch is. And then turning it around, we're going to have the beautiful yellow gold presidential bracelet, which is obviously very iconic. And then turning it back to the face of the watch, we are going to recognize the sapphire crystal with the Cyclops lens protecting the green dial. The sapphire crystal is extremely scratch resistant, and the purpose of the Cyclops lens is to magnify the date to make it easier for the wearer to see it. And so turning it to the side, we are going to be able to see the double twin lock waterproof system, making this watch waterproof for 100 meters or 330 feet. So you guys should be very, very comfortable wearing this in the pool and the ocean, because these watches do a really, really good job of being worn underwater, because that's how they're meant to be worn. Taking it off of the pillow right here, we're going to take a look at the back side of the case, and that's going to show us the screw down case back. And essentially it's just called screw down case back because if you have a certain tool or you're just strong enough, then you can just twist the case back to open it up. That's going to be the #1 way of recognizing whether or not the watch you're handling is authentic or inauthentic. People can say that they can tell based on the movement or the date or the magnifying, and those could be giveaways, but the #1 way is obviously authenticating all the inside parts of the watch. So along with this watch being impressive with the materials that it's made of 18 karat solid yellow gold, the bracelet as well as the case, and obviously the impressive waterproof system, scratch resistant crystal. It's impressive appearance wise as well. This is a very, very standout watch. If you throw this watch on with any outfit, it's gonna pop, whether or not the colors you're wearing are already stand out, because the green is not something that you usually see in watches. The yellow gold is obviously recognizable as an expensive watch. You see a yellow gold watch and usually you're gonna look twice because you wonder, oh, what kind of watch is that if it's solid yellow gold? People recognize the presidential bracelet, they're gonna know it's a Rolex. They recognize the yellow gold, they're gonna know it's an upper end watch. And then the green dial is produced in very, very limited quantities. So anyone that's into watches or knows Rolex whatsoever, they're gonna know how limited and sought after this piece is. So with that said, if you guys have any questions on this watch, make sure to leave it down in the comments. If you guys are looking for your next timepiece or there's any other things that I can help you with, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook. My Instagram is @connor.langley. Feel free to drop a follow there as well. My Facebook is Connor Langley, and I check that very frequently as a lot of my watch clients message me through Messenger there. Let me know any other videos you guys want to see. And with that said, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you guys did enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.